for a ban?
I don't want you listening to other people's walls. It's rude, it's tacky, and I'm pretty sure it's illegal.
Gary, please join us in the lounge for a staff meeting. Soon you're through parenting America's least wanted.
What's going on?
Tick-tock, tick-tick-tick. None of us know the subject of our meeting.
Well, don't worry, Timothy. We won't say a word.
That's because you won't hear a word. Good. Go outside and stand guard.
We're gonna get a German Shepherd police puppy.
Why?